How your company has grown over the years?
There is so much opportunity. India has grown, clients have grown, the middle class has grown, and so there was no reason why we would not grow. We had to go elsewhere. First, when we started, Mahim was considered as a suburb. Today, Mahim is virtually like a downtown, and the suburbs have moved much north. So we went to Kandivali, we went to Malad, we went to Mulund in the eastern suburbs, where it was easy for people to come to us, get the same quality product, same service for them without having to travel those extra 25 kilometers in the heavy traffic of Bombay, and that is how we satisfied them. We went to Goa because in initial stages, Mahim being a very stronghold of Christians in Bandra and Mahim, they migrated to Goa, and it was very easy for us to do my job because many of our old customers came and they themselves bought furniture from us. We didn't have to sell them.
What is your strategy for growth?
As on today, we have stopped importing any furniture. We are making all the furniture in-house like good old days. We find imported furniture do not have good life, good quality, and there's a lot of client servicing to be done. Last 1 year, we went back to our roots, started our manufacturing in full scale, and today we are running virtually 110% of our capacity. Once we increase our capacity, we will add further showrooms in other cities in and around Bombay.
What are your expansion plans?
We will go to all big cities where we can give people the solid living room furniture which they want, the solid teakwood dining chairs, teakwood dining tables, sofa sets. As on today, we do not know what material we get in imported furniture, even though it is good, but I do not think it will last for more than 5 or some years.
How do you expect to perform in next 2 years?
I think getting on the customization field, we see a vast growth in our field. There's a tremendous response to our new customization campaign. People are extremely happy. We don't charge them anything to design furniture as per their room size or the kitchen if they want. Our trained people go to their house. My colleagues will sit down, draw, interact with the family members, and then bring them to the showroom, give them a very reasonable quotation price, and that's how we feel business is booming for us.